a man who knows he has some good news to deliver. Yoweri Museveni cited growth in 4 sectors in particular. They are agriculture, industry services, and ICT.
The composite economic growth of the whole economy has improved even before the bottlenecks have been removed. The size of the economy has increased by 5.7% in the current financial year. This economic growth rate is comparable to 5.8% growth achieved in the last financial year, despite constraints outside Uganda's control.
Growth in agriculture sector was at 1.1%. It employs more than half of the population and relies heavily on coffee. Museveni says growth potential is much higher in this sector if more modern farming practices are employed. On the political front, the president said the conflict in South Sudan has impeded trade.
These constraints included unfavorable weather conditions in many parts of the country in the second half of 2013, which negatively impacted agricultural production. In addition, the ongoing instability in South Sudan, which had become one of Uganda's export destinations.
But some members of parliament say the growth is simply not enough.
We will have performed, but our problem is not the absence or lack of money. Neither is our problem the lack of technical expertise. Our problem, and the biggest problem, which I'm also happy the president agreed to, but he needs to do more than just coming up to say that the problem is corruption. He needs to walk the talk.
Another priority area that saw growth was the energy industry. Museveni says Uganda will begin producing oil and gas in 2017. It's tipped to be a major economic contributor. Isabel Nakirya, CCTV, Kampala.